Hey, let me show you how you can input the memory card inside your Redmi Pad Pro. So first of all, you will have to prepare your memory card and this SIM tool. You can find it in the box. And to locate this SIM slot, you have to actually rotate your device. On the right side, you can find the volume buttons and the slot appears right here. You will have to input this item inside this and press on it. Now you'll be able to grab your SIM slot with your fingers and open it. Now, as you can see, that's how the slot looks, and we have to input this memory card just like this. Take a look. There we go. Now to put it back, we have to grab our tablet and input it just right here. Then try to push it with your finger, and when it's inside, it's completely flat. It actually doesn't come above this frame. And now you can try to unlock your laptop, and as you can see, now we got the information that we successfully inserted the memory SD card. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.